All right, welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to the Chupacabra Tutorials channel. I'm your host, Larry, and today I'm going to show you how to fix your microphone if, for whatever reason, nobody can hear you on Discord. So the first thing you want to do is go to the bottom right corner of your Discord screen and click on User Settings. Inside of here are your various different settings. What you're most interested in is coming down to Voice and Video in the left-hand sidebar. And inside of here, you can see which one of your audio devices is currently being selected. So let's say, for the sake of argument, I've got the wrong one selected, and I can do a quick mic test. Hello, 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 hello. And because you can't hear yourself talking, I can't hear myself talking, and this is frozen, this little sensor, that means that nothing for my audio is coming through. So for that, you can make sure that your device is selected. A lot of people probably will have the default device for Windows selected, but you can see that this one is listed as not my Yeti GX microphone. It's the little webcam that I bought that follows my face around. So I can select my Yeti GX microphone, and hopefully that fixes it. And then if I do the microphone test, you can hear me. So that's a good way to tell if it's currently working. Now, if all of that fails and you're still not sure what's going on, we can go down to our system settings, open up our system settings and go to System, and then go to Sound. And here we can do the same thing. Make sure your speakers, the correct headset or whatever speakers you normally listen with, are selected. Make sure your default microphone is correctly selected down here. And if you're still not really seeing the correct microphone or something that reads the same brand or like variety of microphone that you have, you can go down here to More Sound Settings, and you can make sure that it's not currently disabled by mistake. You can notice here I've got a bunch of other sound devices that are currently disabled because I don't want them trying to be used while I'm playing games or using different software. So what you can do is you can right-click anywhere on any object in this list under recording or playback, it doesn't matter. You want to say show disabled devices, show disconnected devices. And then if your microphone is disabled, you can right-click and say enable. Now, similarly, if you want to make sure that it's being used properly by the right device, you can find your microphone. Mine's the Yeti GX, and I want that to be set as my default device. And I want that also to be set as my default communication device at the same time, so it's used for everything. Because some programs will use your microphone as just a generic recording device, and some programs will try to use whichever device is on your system listed as a microphone for communicating with people, like on the telephone call, if you do that stuff over your computer, whatever. Make sure your default device is set as both of those just to prevent issues. I'm actually going to go back and disable this Logitech Brio microphone because I don't really use it or need it. And anything in this list that you don't want to have active, that you don't like need or will ever use for that purpose, you can go ahead and go through and disable them. That way your system won't try to use them in the future if they get unplugged or replugged by accident. So that's just an easy way to make sure all of that stuff behaves itself. So that'll be it for this one, ladies and gentlemen. I've been your host, Larry. This has been a brief look at how to make sure that your microphone is working inside of Discord. I hope you found this helpful. I've been your host, Larry. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you next time. Bye, everybody. Have a good one.